Thank you, Puss, for starting my video like that. Anyway, hello. Welcome to Will You Press the Button? It's a lot like Would You Rather, but not, kind of? It's weird. Again, this is kind of like the old Silver Age, nothing was wrong on YouTube. Nobody had any complaints other than blah 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 because of Wi-Fi. So yeah, so I just... Can you stop making a ruckus, cat? So yeah, I'm just playing this because... so, you will never be hungry, but you will have diarrhea all the time. No wonder I'm not gonna be hungry because I'm gonna be shitting myself all the time. No, I will not press the button. Yeah, 18% of people have said, yes, let's press the... Why? You can create or destroy anything, but by creating something, you slowly gain sanity, and destroying slowly drains your sanity to the point of destroying everything. Interesting. Interesting. So, what my brain is immediately thinking is, do I have to destroy, or can I just keep creating? Because if I just keep creating, I never lose any sanity. So therefore, I'm perfectly fine. I think I will press the button on that one. Yeah, wow, 30% has said... Huh. That was an interesting one. That was a good one. You can see through walls, but you are blind once a week. Is the once a week random? Is it always on the same day? I don't think I will. Because being able to see through walls, yeah, a lot of people want that, but it doesn't say if it will turn on or off. Or, like, if you have full control over it. So yeah, so I will not. Wow, that was almost a 50-50. Huh. God, this is just Thanos. World peace, but 1/4 of the population dies. Not mean to do that. Oh, I guess that answers my dilemma, because I don't know if I wanted to press it or not, but sure, I guess I'll press it. Huh, a lot of people did. That's slightly interesting. I mean, I guess it's not interesting because a lot of people want world peace, so the butt you have to do it. You will become incredibly sexually attractive to the opposite gender, but all beings of the opposite gender are now full half-human hybrids who will not ask for your consent. What? What? Why is this a question? No, I will not! What is wrong with the 36% of people? What? That is like a terrible compromise. And besides, like, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Like, it's fine. Like, you may think you're horrible, but, like, several other people think you're, like, gorgeous or something. That was a terrible question. You have the ability to jump from one body to another, taking another person's life in your hands, but you can't jump back to the bodies you have been in before. No, I will not. Huh, a lot of people said yes on that one. Weird. I mean, I guess it's just to help people, but help people through your actions. Don't help them by forcing them to do their own actions. Some people need to learn it themselves. You have the ability to fly, but you can only fly up and down, not forward. Yeah, that's helpful. I'll press the button on that one. Because typically when I want to fly, I always, like, want to, like, fly upward and in the sky and just fly around there. But if I can only fly up and down, then I can still make use of that. Like, hey, there's a giant pit! Oh no, you say you dropped your necklace accidentally in there? Okay. Flies down, picks up the necklace. Hey, there's also a bunch of treasure. Grabs the treasure, flies back up. Here's your necklace, and here's, like, half the treasure. And then just goes to the nearest bank and be like, hey, can you catch this, please? So yeah, I can find out useful things from only flying up and down. You have the ability to breathe underwater, but you can't survive outside of water for more than 24 hours. So basically a fish. You basically become a fish. Yeah, sure, why not? Oh wow, I was expecting more people to say yes on that one. Okay. You'll achieve your goals, but sometimes you'll feel sad at parties. I don't go to parties, so I'm thinking a lot of introverts answer this one because they're just going, ha, joke's on you. I'm always sad at parties, or I never go to parties. So yes, I will click this. So yeah. You get infinite money, but you are constantly asked for money by random strangers at random times. They never said how much I have to give to them. And if they're homeless, I could answer, like, I could say yes. And I could also say no. So I think I will. That is an interesting one. Yeah, I think a lot of people had the same mentality or thought line I had. So I'm not really surprised by this one. You can live your life as a wizard and go to Hogwarts, but everyone you cared about will forget you ever existed. No. I'm not the biggest... Wow, that was more 50-50 than I thought it would be. I'm not the biggest Hogwarts or Harry Potter fan. Like, I do like the series, just not in comparison to other stuff. like Marvel and Pokemon and what's another one? What's another big brand thing that anyway, you get my point. Humanity has achieved a utopia where everyone is happy, wow, is happy and there is no war or suffering, but mankind never escapes Earth and it will all be over when the sun explodes. Yes, I will press that, because if that means we've achieved a utopia, that means we've fixed, the whole shit on our world. So there's no real reason we need to leave Earth other than explore space, because space. She falls in love with you, but you never stop truly loving her. I'm single right now, so yeah. World peace, but everyone who lives in a third world no! Like, I know I answered a similar one to this, but that was 1/4. It never specified who the 1/4 was. It was just 1/4 of the world population. But this is specifically saying who will die. So, and now that makes me hate, like, yeah, I like, if you make, like, if you give me this and give me an anonymous thing, okay, I will typically say yes, but, like, if you give me a certain person, I will say no. You become the most attractive man or woman on Earth, but everyone thinks you are gay or lesbian. I mean, I don't really care. Like, I'll still pursue love. I'll still try to pursue love, and just explain. I think this is going to be the last one for my video. This is definitely shorter than any others. You can meet any known celebrity that is currently alive. This includes actor, musicians, and fictional characters alike. But after meeting the said person, they will contract a fatal disease that causes them to die within a month. No, I can live without meeting a celebrity. So yeah, so this is gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can get notifications from me of when I make videos. And yeah, I think that will be it. So I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya.